Alright, let's talk about Cosmos, guys. Now, this cryptocurrency over the last few months has been taking some major pain. It was at a high of recent, like $45 is about, and now it has collapsed, guys. It is really, really tiny, and I think it's going to go down lower. But I'm going to give you guys my analysis, give you guys some information, some tools in your tool belt to help you guys out with this cryptocurrency. So let's dive right into it. So currently it's at $7.22, guys, and I think that the target price zone is going to be lower, okay? Now we're on the weekly, so it's going to give you guys more perspective. So I think that just off the bat, guys, is possibly hitting down to $5. Price target, guys, $5. Now this is what I think is going to happen when it hits $5. Since it looks like it's consolidating a lot around here, I think it's going to duplicate that exact same thing. And this is on the weekly, so I think it's when it hits $5, it's going to start bouncing, and I think it's going to get a lot more traction, a lot more people jumping into this cryptocurrency because it's going to start bouncing around. Now, am I going to enter at that $5 point? No, I will not. Now, if you guys are in cash position, or like, hodlers or people who do dollar cost averaging in, yeah, possibly this is a good plan, but for me, it's not my plan. Because I think it's a good possibility that it might build up and head down lower or go down lower. Break that support, break this major support, and just head down lower down here. I like to be patient, and I like to wait things out. I like to put things on my watch list, and I just do like a price alert, multiple price alerts, to see what's happening. Because I think long term, that's where you want to be. You don't want to be like one couple days in and it's, you're doing pretty good for like 2 or 3 days and it slams back down lower. Same thing like kind of like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is slowing down right now and reversing, and people are like, you can see the chart. People are just dumping in. But then it's a possibility that Bitcoin might dip even more and take out a lot more traders. So you gotta be patient, guys. I'm being patient when it comes to Bitcoin and other trades I'm in. Same thing like when it comes to Cosmos right here. I'm Cosmos. So when it comes to this, guys, and as it builds support, what I want it to do is significantly beat this current price. Since it's possibly the only green candle that's going to be on the weekly, I want it to beat that price. Go back to here. See how it's been red that entire time, all these weeks right here? I want a green candle in there to show that there's more people buying into the market, jumping into it. And I want to get on that on a buy stop, so I can avoid all this unnecessary pain of it going possibly lower or it going up. So if it going up, it'll hit my buy stop if I place it on there. Just want to make sure the structure is there first. So if we're zooming in, guys, if it hits that zone right here, just say it hits a $7 mark again, and there's a lot more people buying, then I can look at getting into it again and just, verify it's just a pullback and the overall trend, but it gets back in there. So if it does that, I can get in on a buy stop, and my price prediction will probably this be basically these bottom candles right here. So if it hits that zone, it'll probably be like this bottom zone right here. So like $9.50. That's what I would be going for. It hit me in a buy stop. I can avoid all this unnecessary pain, and then I can do a target profit up here. If it hits me, my entry in, I'll lock in that trade and let the rest run. Or just take off some profits, let the rest run, and hopefully it reverses. But if it doesn't, I can protect myself by doing a buy stop down here. Well, let's get into some other details about Cosmos, guys. Some things that help you out with this cryptocurrency. Obviously, $7.23, up 11.32%. Market cap $2.069 billion, ranked number 30 on 627,000 people's watch list. That's absolutely amazing, guys. The more people's watch list, the more people can pay attention to be buying into cryptocurrency. They're on pretty much all the platforms, guys. Like, if it's in the top 100, it's on almost everything. Like, there's even load more, so they're on a lot of platforms. So trading, hodling, you guys can get exposure to this cryptocurrency. Wow, it's like 200 platforms plus more. Now, if you guys looking at for the price ratings as of April 15th, 2022, Symmetry gave it a B-. It's really, really good because it's really updated, only in April 15th. And this is a stable outlook, triple B. It is in the top 97% of cryptos. Read more details, guys. Can look at how they came up and included this cryptocurrency, okay? Now let's head to their website, guys. This is cosmos.network, the internet of blockchains. So check out their stuff, guys. We want to learn more about this cryptocurrency, learn more about their stats and stuff. Outside of that, guys, let's check out their Twitter page. 454,000 followers. They have a bunch of stuff pinned, so if you guys want to get their news, just check it here, guys. Like, this is June 11th. Our CEO on the Cosmos Foundation stage talking about their stuff, man. So just take it out. Follow me on Twitter, on Jim McClendon. Talk a lot of political stuff, you know, stuff I don't do so much on this channel. So hit me up there, or hit me up on TikTok. Other than that, guys, check my website, andrejmcclendon.com. This is the economy and stats page. You can look at more about free indicators or some stuff about, you know, custom indicators from MetaTrader 4 and 5. Check that stuff out. Have it all on one easy website. I'm still building the cryptocurrency portion, you know, of my analysis and stuff like that. Things I'm looking at. So I look at thousands of cryptos out there. So just hit me up, guys, with your guys' thoughts about this cryptocurrency. And also, guys, drop a comment below. What do you guys think about this video? What do you guys think about the music? What do you think about the thumbnails? Let me know. Give me some insight about this video. But like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you.